Wow, a shooting star! Quickly, make a wish! I wish that we'll be best friends forever. What did you wish for, Catnap?
Redacted.
Really? No way! That means we will be together until the end. I didn't know it was all a hoax. What Catnap did to me was horrible, but I thought he was my best friend forever.
Ah, Catnap, you came. I don't know if there are still chairs available.
I'm sure there are some free ones around here.
Don't worry, I can sit on the floor.
What are you saying? Don't be silly. Come on, sit on my lap.
Thank you for watching.